Welcome to Compare to Win. The best wood stove gloves is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of safety equipment for anyone who enjoys the warmth and ambience of a wood-burning stove, as these specialized gloves are designed to protect your hands from extreme heat, embers, and potential burns when tending to your fire, loading wood, or adjusting the damper, ensuring you can safely and comfortably manage your hearth without compromising on protection. Number 5. WZQH 16-inch heat-resistant leather welding gloves. Experience unparalleled protection with our gloves, designed to withstand extreme temperatures up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. They feature a multi-layer construction for advanced heat and cold resistance, ensuring comfort and safety. Crafted from thick, soft cowhide leather, these gloves offer superior resistance to heat, wear, punctures, and cuts. Reinforced stitching ensures they stay securely on your hands, even during demanding tasks. With an extra-long sleeve, these gloves provide comprehensive protection for your hands and forearms. They shield you from hot coals, open flames, sparks, and sharp objects, making them ideal for high-temperature applications. These gloves are perfect not just for welding, but also for a wide range of activities like grilling, baking, gardening, and animal handling. They are a practical choice for various work and home tasks. Enjoy sweat-absorbent, breathable, and allergy-free wear. The soft inner lining provides exceptional comfort, even during prolonged use in challenging environments. We stand by the quality of our gloves, offering a satisfaction guarantee. If you have any issues, we're here to provide a satisfactory solution. What we like. This glove offers genuine cowhide split leather for extreme heat resistance up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. Its 16-inch extra-long sleeve provides superior protection for your hands and forearms. If you are looking for the ultimate protection in high-temperature environments like welding, forging, or handling hot materials, this is your go-to choice. What people say. These gloves are thick and provide excellent heat protection. The long cuffs offer great coverage for my forearms when reaching into the stove. They are surprisingly flexible, allowing me to grip tools easily. Number 4. TOPDC 16-inch heat-resistant leather welding gloves. These gloves are designed to protect you from extreme heat, withstanding temperatures up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. They feature reinforced Kevlar and double leather stitching for maximum durability against heat, flames, and sparks. Crafted from thick, natural cowhide leather, these gloves offer superior resistance to abrasion, tears, punctures, cuts, and even animal bites. Reinforced stress points ensure they can handle tough jobs. Enjoy superior comfort with a soft cotton lining that provides excellent heat resistance and breathability. The 16-inch design with a 7.5-inch sleeve shields your hands and forearms from hazards like hot coals and open flames. More than just for welding, these gloves are perfect for a wide range of activities. Use them for fireplace maintenance, grilling, baking, gardening, camping, and safely handling animals. Get exceptional value with these heat-resistant and durable gloves. We guarantee your satisfaction and are here to help if you have any questions or concerns about your purchase. What we like. Featuring a 100% split cowhide exterior and a fully cotton-lined interior for superior comfort and heat resistance, these gloves also boast a 16-inch design for extended forearm protection. If you need a versatile glove that offers both extreme heat resistance and all-day comfort for tasks ranging from welding to animal handling, consider this option. What people say. These gloves are thick and well-made, providing excellent protection from heat. The long cuffs offer great coverage for your wrists and forearms. They fit comfortably and allow for good dexterity when handling hot items. Number 3. Schwer ANSI A9 cut-resistant glove. Experience the highest level of safety with our new stainless steel glove. It has achieved the highest cut-resistant rating, ANSI A9, ensuring superior protection. These upgraded gloves provide excellent protection in the kitchen. They are designed to keep you safe from injuries while handling food, ensuring both safety and hygiene. Our improved version 2.0 gloves offer significantly enhanced protection. The HPP-wrapped steel wire is stronger and more densely woven, making them more durable and comfortable for extended use. You'll receive 2 gloves for a better fit and enhanced comfort. They are designed for easy cleaning with soap and water, making maintenance simple. These gloves are suitable for a wide range of tasks. Use them safely in the kitchen for cutting and slicing, or for other activities like gardening, fishing, and construction. What we like. These gloves boast the highest ANSI A9 cut resistance rating, achieved with HPP-wrapped steel wire for superior durability and protection. They are also food grade, making them excellent for kitchen tasks. If you are a butcher, chef, or anyone frequently handling sharp objects in the kitchen or workshop, these offer unparalleled safety. What people say. These gloves are made of thick leather and have a long cuff to protect your forearms from heat. The stitching is reinforced, making them very durable and able to withstand high temperatures. They offer excellent grip, allowing you to handle hot items with confidence. Number 2. NoCry cut-resistant gloves with grip dots. Introducing gloves that offer superior cut resistance, certified at the highest level. They provide an extra layer of protection, allowing you to handle sharp objects with confidence. Featuring special grip dots, these gloves ensure a secure hold on slippery items. Their flexibility and comfort also make them ideal for detailed tasks like woodworking. Crafted from a special blend of materials, these gloves are incredibly lightweight and breathable. You can wear them for extended periods without discomfort. Maintaining these gloves is simple as they are machine washable and 100% food safe. Just toss them in the wash after use and let them air dry. Perfect for a wide range of activities, from kitchen prep with sharp tools to gardening and more. They offer the protection and grip you need for any job. What we like. Certified at EN 388 Level 5 cut resistance and featuring grip dots for enhanced control, these gloves are also breathable and lightweight. If you prioritize dexterity and a secure grip for precision tasks like kitchen chopping, woodworking, or gardening, these offer excellent protection without sacrificing comfort. What people say. These gloves are incredibly heat resistant, allowing me to handle hot logs and cookware with ease. The thick, durable material provides excellent protection against burns, even when working near the open flames. The design allows for a good grip, making it easy to maneuver objects in and out of the stove. Number 1. HZXVOGEN Heat-Resistant Welding Gloves. Introducing our new heat-resistant gloves, designed to protect your hands from extreme temperatures. They offer superior defense against intense heat, making them ideal for various high-temperature tasks. Crafted from fireproof leather, these gloves provide exceptional durability and safety. You can rely on them to withstand high heat and provide long-lasting protection. Perfect for fireplaces, BBQs, grills, and ovens, these mitts offer versatile protection. Whether you're cooking or working near heat sources, they've got you covered. Experience comfort without compromising on safety. These gloves are designed for a secure fit, allowing you to handle hot objects with confidence. Rated for up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, these gloves are built for the toughest jobs. They provide reliable protection when working with high heat, ensuring your safety. Specifically designed for MIG and TIG welding, these mitts offer the precision and protection you need. Handle your welding tasks with enhanced safety and control. What we like. These mitts are crafted from fireproof leather, offering excellent heat resistance up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for intense heat applications. The mitt's design ensures quick and easy wear. If you frequently work with high heat sources like BBQs, grills, ovens, or fireplaces and need a reliable, easy-to-use protective glove, these are a solid choice. What people say. These gloves are thick and well-made, offering excellent protection from heat. The long cuffs provide extra coverage for your forearms, which is great when reaching into the stove. They fit comfortably and allow for good dexterity, making it easy to handle logs and tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.